Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always. Hey.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Back in the forest, were you about to...
Oh, so you felt that, huh?
Well, why didn't you?
It wasn't perfect.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Lie down with me and hold me in your arms, and your heart's against my chest, your lips pressed to my neck. I'm falling for your eyes, but they don't know me yet.
I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
Kiss me like you wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. This feels like falling in love. Falling in love. Falling in love.
This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been, and I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You.
The wind blows, so hold me in your arms. Oh no, my heart's against your chest, your lips pressed to my neck. I'm falling for your eyes, but they don't know me yet. And with this feeling I'll forget I'm in love now.
I am the person I am today because of you. You're the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know.
This feels